Good morning, student. After discussing meaning and feature of financial market, let us discuss classification of financial market. Basically, financial market can be classified in two categories. One is money market and another is capital market. And again, capital market can be classified in two categories. One is primary market and another is secondary market. Let us discuss today about money market and instrument used in money market. Money market. Money market refers to the market for short-term funds which deals in monetary assets whose period of maturity is up to 1 year. यानी कि मनी मार्केट एक शॉर्ट टर्म फंड्स कलेक्ट करने का एक प्लेटफॉर्म है जिसका मैच्योरिटी पीरियड वो सिक्योरिटीज़ का मैच्योरिटी पीरियड होता है अप टू वन ईयर यानी कि विद इन 1 year वी कैन कलेक्ट शॉर्ट टर्म फंड्स फ्रॉम मनी मार्केट. Let us discuss in detail what is the meaning of money market. Money market is a market for short-term funds meant for use for a period of up to 1 year. Generally, money market is the source of finance for working capital. Transactions of money market includes lending and borrowing of cash for a short period of time and also sale and purchase of securities having 1 year term or which gets redeemed within 1 year यानी कि 1 साल तक हमको उसको पैसा वापस भी कर देना है. Money market is not a fixed geographical area but it constitutes all organizations and institutions which deals with short-term debt. The common institute are Reserve Bank of India, State Bank of India, other commercial banks, LIC, GIC, UTI, etc. These are the major component of participant of money market. We can see here Reserve Bank of India, non-banking financial institutions, large corporate houses, mutual fund and commercial bank. Now let us discuss what are the instrument in money market. What are the different instrument in money market? Instrument in money market are treasury bill, commercial paper, call money, certificate of deposit and commercial bill. Now let us discuss one by one about instrument of money market. These are the 5 instrument of money market. Once again, instrument of money market are treasury bill, commercial paper, commercial bill, call money, certificate of deposit. Now let us discuss one by one about treasury bill. Treasury bill. It is also known as T-bill. Treasury bills are issued by Reserve Bank of India on behalf of the Government of India. These bills are enable government to get short-term borrowing as these bills are sold to bank and general public. ये बिल बैंक और जनरल पब्लिक के बीच सेल किया जाता है आरबीआई की तरफ से. These bills are negotiable instrument यानी कि ये ट्रांसफरेबल है एक हाथों से दूसरे हाथों और ये डिस्काउंट में भी इशू किया जा सकता है. These are considered safest investment as these are issued by RBI. The maturity period of treasury bills varies from 14 to 365 days. 14 to 364 days. These bills are also called zero coupon bonds. they are issued at a price lower than their face value and rapid at par. These are available. These are available for minimum amount of 25,000 and in multiples thereof. तो ये रहा ट्रेजरी बिल जो एक शॉर्ट टर्म बोरिंग्स है, आरबीआई इशू करता है, 364 डेज मैक्सिमम मैच्योरिटी पीरियड होता है, एक ट्रांसफरेबल और नेगोशिएबल इंस्ट्रूमेंट है. सेकेंड, कॉमर्शियल पेपर. Commercial paper is an unsecured instrument in the form of promissory note. Commercial paper भी एक unsecured instrument है in the form of promissory note. It is issued only by large creditworthy companies. It usually has a maturity period of 15 days to 1 year. 15 days to 1 year. The commercial paper was introduced in India for the first time in 1990. It is an unsecured promissory note issued by public and private companies with a fixed maturity period which varies from 15 days to 1 year. यानी कि मैच्योरिटी पीरियड 15 से 1 साल का बीच होता है. कॉमर्शियल पेपर आर अनसिक्योर्ड, इसके अगेंस्ट कोई सिक्योरिटी नहीं लगता, and this can be issued by companies having good reputation and credit worthiness. जिस कंपनी की अच्छा रेपुटेशन है, क्रेडिट वर्दीनेस सबसे अच्छा है, वो कंपनी इशू कर सकता है. These commercial banks and mutual funds are the main investors of commercial paper. Funds raised through commercial paper are used to meet the flotation cost. यानी कि कॉमर्शियल पेपर यूज़ करके जो पैसा मिलता है उसमें फ्लोटेशन कॉस्ट को बेयर करने में काम आता है. दिस इज ऑल्सो नॉन एज ब्रिज फाइनेंसिंग. इसी का नाम है ब्रिज फाइनेंसिंग. ये क्वेश्चन बहुत बार सीबीएसई में आता है, व्हाट इज़ द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ ब्रिज फाइनेंसिंग. तो दिस इज अबाउट द सिंपल डिस्कशन ऑन कॉमर्शियल पेपर. नाउ कॉल मनी, very important. Sometimes questions can be asked, what is call money? Call money is a short term finance whose maturity varies from 1 day to 15 days. Call money is short term finance whose maturity varies from 1 day to 15 days. ये भी एक short term finance का एक एक्वायर करने का ऑप्शन है, कॉल मनी. Call money is issued by banks to maintain the CRR. As per RBI guidelines, commercial banks are required to maintain a minimum cash balance with them, known as cash reserve ratio. 4. Certificate of deposit. It is a bearer document. Certificate of deposit क्या है? It is a bearer document issued by commercial bank and development financial institutions against the deposit kept by companies and institutions. The time period of commercial deposits ranges from 91 days to 1 year. Maximum commercial deposit का time period है 91 days to 1 year. Now, commercial bill. Commercial bill. Commercial bill, it is also known as trade bill or accommodation bills. Trade bills are drawn by one business firm on another. These are common instrument. These are common instrument used in credit purchase and sale. These have short-term maturity period, generally 90 days, and can be discounted with bank even before the maturity period. क्लास 11 में जो हम लोग बिल ऑफ एक्सचेंज पढ़े थे, दिस बिल ऑफ एक्सचेंज नथिंग बट कॉमर्शियल बिल. उनका 3 months का मैक्सिमम मैच्योरिटी पीरियड हो सकता है. जनरली a trade bill is nothing but a written acknowledgement of debt where the maker or drawer instruct or direct to pay the drawee to make payment within a fixed period of time. the drawee accept the bill and become liable to make payment on due date. These are the nature of commercial bill. Discussion about commercial bill. Also, we have to discuss this commercial bill in class 11 bill of exchange part. Now, these are our discussion about instrument used in money market. Thank you.